When it's time for our students to publish, we know that Adobe Spark is a great option, and Flipgrid is a great way to use social media to get peer feedback. So what's the best way to get this set up so students can publish their own pieces and also provide feedback to each other? One way is to create a new grid for this assignment. I've called mine Adobe Spark Publishing Grid. Unfortunately, there's not a way to let students create their own topics, so we are going to create a topic for each student. I'll name them the first name and published for this, but you might have a better name. The reason we do it this way is because now our Adobe Sparks can be front and center on each topic, which is not possible if the students are simply responding to an existing topic. You may remember that both Spark Video and Spark Page allow you to publish a live link which updates as the student makes changes. You'll want to ask your students to publish the URL address of their Spark even before they're finished. That way you can grab the address and you can paste it back into Flipgrid. In this example, I've asked them to use Google Classroom. So I copy the address and then I go back and I add the Spark link into the topic for that student on Flipgrid. By getting this address early, this gives me a chance to set up my Flipgrid with each student's topic and the link to their Adobe Spark before the students have even finished their work. Let's review how the students create that link. They click Share and then untick Get Noticed and then create an unlisted link. This creates a live website on Adobe's servers. Once it's finished uploading, it gives you a link which you can open in Safari and you can submit either onto Seesaw or Google Classroom. Okay, back to Flipgrid. We've made our grid and we have a topic for each student. Once you've added a Spark video or page link to the topic, it'll show at the top. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the media. This is the same place where you'll be able to see all of the video responses that each student receives. This method takes a little bit of extra setup, but it means that all of your students' published work is out in the front where everybody can see it, and you can even share these grids with other classes if you want to collaborate across the whole year level. Good luck!